Well, it's a family thing really. Like my granddad's been in the trade for over 40 years and my dad's been doing it for 25 years, but I'm the first one who's learned the actual repair side. It's been one of the best things I've done. It's so much fun, and then everything you're learning and the skills that you develop and interacting and stuff you learn, it's just one of the best things ever really. So I've started doing a lot of our own repairs because we used to use like other people to do repairs for us, but now I do a lot more things myself, and it's a lot quicker turnover time for the customers. They get nice jobs done, and it's nice seeing that personal touch that you give to people. Like when they bring you something that's broken and taking a day or two after you come back and you see the look on their face going, wow, it's good work. I mean, they're really happy with it. It's sentimental a lot of the time, or, things like that. It's really nice just to help people like that, yeah. There's a lot of things that's just been very useful, especially when we started, we didn't even know how to use a saw blade or a drill, and now we're doing like diamond replacements and making rings and doing everything. So it's just the stuff that you learn in the space of less than a year. It's mad that you can actually learn that in the space of a year. Do you know what I mean? From nothing to the level we're at now. Definitely, like I hope to keep coming back and working with Derek as well, like trying to do something to help him develop it even more. So I'd recommend to absolutely everyone who wants to learn and get into the trade or just upskill, learn things themselves more. So definitely would, yeah.